We have the 2019 Honda Civic Type R, guys. Muffler delete. I'll show you what we did, but let's start from the front over here, just so you guys have an idea of the entire system. As you can see, there's a little resonator right here, another little resonator right here. In the back, guys, now typically, listen up on this one. Typically, if you wanted to change the tip, right, you would cut right here, run it, and then put the trident tip right out of the back. If you want to keep the same stock tip, we have to keep on this little resonator right in the middle. So the muffler delete portion would be right over here where you see where we welded the pipes, but we had to leave this right in the middle in order to keep on the stock tips. We do offer trident tips at gexhaust.com, guys. Go check those out, or give us a ring, Oakland Park, Florida, or Davie, Florida. And we're gonna bring it down fired up, guys. Let me know how it sounds in the comments. All right.